My name is Mikael. I've been a resident in St. John for 7 years now? Yeah, 8 years even. Wow, years just pass by quickly, don't they? We live here, we have 2 kids, dog and a cat. Basically, since we moved in here, I've been concerned with how high my heating bills were, particularly in the winter, but even during the summer. 10-year zero interest loan was available. I figured, that's too good a deal to pass up on. I need to get in on this now, because that's practically giving away the panels, more or less. Like, I don't think you can beat such a deal. But this summer we've hit peak so many times. We've generated more energy than we use, which means that we're getting credits towards the winter. So that's going to be very interesting to see how that plays out too. In total, right now, it's pretty even, because we took the loan, the 10-year zero interest loan, and we're paying down that over time. This is a long-term investment. I didn't do it to earn big bucks the first month. The money I save on my energy bill, it goes to paying off the loan. And once that is done, I mean, it's going to be lovely for my wallet, basically. I was paying between $300 to $650 a month for energy and electricity, depending on the season, before the solar panels. And this past month, now we're in August, so in July I was down to 100 something? Yeah. So that's a very good reduction. I'm satisfied. I'm quite satisfied, yeah. For solar panels, it was dirt cheap when it comes down to it, because with all those rebates from New Brunswick and the government of Canada, that just really sealed the deal, didn't it? And the more people who adopt solar panels, the more we all become energy producers. And the more we all become energy producers, the more abundant energy becomes, and the more abundant energy becomes, the cheaper it becomes. So it's a win for everyone, right? The savings that we bring in from the solar panels are going to pay off the loan at the moment. But down the line, as we're getting closer to retirement, because we're that age, I think we're going to be, very content with having those panels there. It's really going to help us out with, in the long term, I think. Once you have them, they're just, sitting there and doing their thing, and I don't have to think about them a whole lot. I just notice I can fiddle around with the app and see how much electricity we've generated today, and I notice it on the bill that I get from St. John Energy. I think it was smooth, the installation process, yeah. Took a few weeks altogether.